Former Orlando Pirates left-back Innocent Chigoya has raised questions over the potential signing of Paseka Mago by arch-rivals Kaizer Chiefs, warning that the veteran defender may not offer the competitive edge the Soweto Giants need in their quest to dethrone Mamelodi Sundowns. Mago, now a free agent following the non-renewal of his contract with the Buccaneers, has been heavily linked with the move to Chiefs. However, Chigoya believes the 31-year-old's recent form and lack of consistent game time make him an unlikely solution for a club under intense pressure to return to glory. He was speaking to Kickoff and said, looking at Paseka's contribution at Pirates in recent times, it has been very low. If your contribution is 50% or less and the age is not on your side, the likelihood of being released becomes high. Drawing comparisons to notable former Pirates players who made successful switches to Chiefs, such as Jimmy Dow and Atazwane, Chigoya was quick to point out that those moves happened when the players were at their peak, and said Jimmy Dow and Atazwane joined Amakosi when they were performing at a high level. That's why they succeeded. But apart from them, who else left Pirates in their 30s and thrived at Naturena? Chigoya questioned the wisdom of Chiefs investing in a player whose best years might be behind him, particularly when their current mission is to close the gap on a dominant Sundown side. And said, if I'm signing a 31-year-old, he should be a regular starter, someone offering experience and leadership on the field. But if you are not playing regular and you are joining a club trying to outpace both Pirates and Sundowns, it's a big ask. He also highlighted the strategic gap between Chiefs and their rivals in the transfer market, citing Sundowns' acquisition of young talents like 24-year-old Jaden Adams as an example of forward-thinking recruitment, and said you can't expect to dethrone Sundowns by signing in the players in their 30s while they are building with players who have 7 or more years ahead of them. Pirates are bringing in players in contention for the national team. That's the level Chiefs should be looking at. Mago, who spent 7 seasons at Pirates and played a key role in their defensive setup over the years, was among a group of players recently released by the club, including Miguel Tim, Thabiso Monyane, and former captain Innocent Maila. Sources close to the situation suggest that Mago is already in advanced talks with Chiefs. While no deal has been finalized, the Chiefs hierarchy now faces a critical decision: sign a seasoned but arguably declining left back, or continue prioritizing younger, more dynamic talent in their effort to rebuild. Chigoya said at this stage in his career, Marco should probably be looking at a club where he can finish his playing days with consistent game time. If he's no longer good enough for Pirates, how can you suddenly be a solution for Chiefs? With the pressure mounting at Naturena, the club's next move in the transfer window will speak volumes about its long vision and whether the vision includes veterans like Paseka Mago. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.